In today's video, I want to introduce a new indicator on TradingView that perfectly shows order blocks on the chart. In case if you don't know what order block is, order blocks are price ranges in the market where large market participants like institutional traders, banks, or hedge funds have previously placed large amounts of buy or sell orders, so causing of significant price movement in the market. In other words, order blocks are areas of the chart where there has been a large amount of orders executed. So basically, order blocks are identified through price action, where we look for areas of the chart when the price suddenly changed its direction and the market saw a considerable price movement. Identifying order blocks is important because they create large movements in the market. When we have large amounts of buy orders executed, this can push the price up, and when large amounts of sell orders are executed, this can push the price down because they cause imbalances between supply and demand, so it can affect the price considerably, and so they can act as a key support or resistance level in the future. And order blocks also help us with market sentiment, because when we see that smart money is flowing in the market, we see it like that those large traders have access to better information, and so we start following them, and this causes driving the price up or down even more. So order blocks are important because of two reasons. They help us to know about the behavior of large institutional traders, and also they provide key levels that probably going to affect the price in the future. Alright, now you may wonder how you can identify order blocks on the chart. By the help of price action analysis, it's possible, because by analyzing the price movement in the past, you can identify areas where the market suddenly changed considerably, and this considerable change is usually in the form of a reversal or a break out of a range or consolidation period. Technically, order block is the last candle before the considerable move that creates the imbalances between supply and demand. Identifying order blocks is not easy, and it needs years of experience, and for beginners it's really challenging to correctly identify order blocks on the charts. However, there are some indicators that can help us with this, and today I'm going to introduce one of the best of them in this video. Here we click on indicators and we search order blocks, this one which is written by Flux chart. Alright, as you can see, some levels are added to the chart with some information. If you pay attention, you can see that these areas are beginning of considerable movement of the market, like here there's a strong declining of the price, or here there's a strong advancing of the price. As I mentioned earlier, order block is one candle before starting of a strong movement of the market. So this is our order block, and this can act as a key level of resistance level in the future. So when the price reaches to around here, we can expect reaction of market participants. So this is a potential area for trading decisions, placing limit orders, placing stop loss, or closing your position. And similarly for the bullish ones that act as a support level. One excellent feature of this indicator is that it provides volumetric information for the identified order blocks, so you can have a better evaluation of order block levels. As I explained at the beginning of the video, order blocks happen when we have high amount of market orders existing in a price range. So having information about the volume for the order blocks is a great advantage for evaluating them. And this indicator, by providing the total volume of the order blocks and also the ratio of bullish and bearish volume, it's a great tool for evaluating order blocks. This indicator uses the high and low volume of the order block for evaluating their strength. This is the total volume of order block, and the percentage is the ratio of bullish bearish volume. You can also visually compare the strength of bullish and bearish volume by the help of these two green and red bars that you see here. For example, here for this bearish order block, we have considerably higher bearish volume, but for this bearish order block here, approximately the same. So this bearish order block is more significant and much stronger in compared to this bearish order block. Or for another example, if we compare these two bullish order blocks here, for this one the ratio is approximately 50%, but for this one and also this one, we have considerably higher bullish volume. So this order block or this order block in compared to this one is stronger and more significant. This indicator, by the help of this innovative method and providing detailed information about order blocks, it effectively helps you to evaluate the strength of order blocks. But the important point that you must pay attention is that this indicator is not a buy sell signal indicator. These bullish and bearish order blocks are not detected in real time. They are not buy sell signals, but rather they show potential areas of the market that can act as key levels in the future. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and leave a comment for me. I'll answer your questions as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell so you get the notifications of my new videos. See you guys in next video, and good luck with your trading.